Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing our April Lip Monthly unbagging. If you don't know what Lip Monthly is, it's basically a monthly beauty subscription. Well, it's mainly like lip products, but sometimes they'll throw in like a random eyeshadow or like a face product or something, but it's mainly lip products and you get like 4 to 5 lip products for $12.95. I do have a coupon code for 55% off your first bag if you do end up wanting to try it out. I'll leave it down below in the description bar for you guys if you want to use that. But yeah, we're just going to be getting into our April bag. If you want to see what I got in mine, then just keep watching. All right. Okay, what's in this bag? So I love it. It's really pretty. I like the style of this bag. Little card in the bag. The best of Lip Monthly bag, I guess. All right, so the first thing I see, it's like falling off my lap here. Trying to get our lives together. Okay, so the first thing I see here is an eyeshadow. I guess we'll start off with that. It's a Be a Bombshell eyeshadow in the shade Miss Paris. Told you guys sometimes they throw in like an eyeshadow instead of a lip product, but it's mainly lip products in here. Ooh, this is cute. It's like a light pink. So that is what that shade looks like. I hope you guys can see it. It looks kind of washed out in my viewfinder, but yeah, really, really pretty. Ooh, that is super pigmented, girl. Okay. All right, so that is what that swatches as. Really pretty. It's like a pale pink with a little bit of shimmer to it. I like it. Super cute. Okay, what else? We got, this one is a Bella Pierre Kiss Proof Lip Cream in the shade Antique Pink. I love this shade. It looks so pretty. It's kind of like a mauve-y tone. Oh my gosh. Okay. If you've been following me for a while, you know that me and perforated packages, just, we don't get along. All right. It's tough. Oh, it's sticking to me. Get off me. Okay. Okay, so this is what that looks like in the packaging. It's kind of like a mauve-y tone. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, girl. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. It smells fruity and it's super pigmented. It is not playing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is what that looks like. How freaking gorgeous is that color? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Like I literally want to wear this ASAP. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so that one once again was Antique Pink by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. And then, ooh, Mally. Hey, that's a good brand. So this one is an Ultimate Performance Lip Shellac by Mally. And it's in the shade Perfect Nude. That's a really pretty nude shade. So that is what that looks like. Really, really pretty shade. It's a lip shellac, so it's probably super duper glossy. It looks like it's gonna be super pigmented too. Ooh, it is. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh wow. Oh, I love that. That's what that color looks like there. How gorgina is that shade? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I love that. So pretty. So that once again is Perfect Nude by Mally. And then last but not least in the bag, we have a lip pencil. This one is by Starlux and it's in the shade Rose. Oh, I'm scared to open this one. My nails are just so thick. And this thing is perforated. Ah, okay. Trying to get it together. We're trying. We're trying, girl. Oh, I got it. Okay. All right. Okay, so hopefully that's not blurry, but that's what it looks like. It's kind of like a reddish tone. And I'll just swatch that. Oh, this is like a pinky. It's like a pinky red. I really hope it shows up on camera. Usually pinky reds just don't show up. Oh, I broke it. Usually pinky reds don't show up very well on my camera, but hopefully this one does. I totally broke it. Party foul. Okay, so that is what that color looks like. How pretty. It's like a pinky, like a deep pinky red kind of. Really, really pretty shade. So that one, once again, is by Starlux in the shade Rose. All right, and that is it. That's everything we got in our April Lip Monthly bag. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. Hey girl, hey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we don't lose each other. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I keep saying and yeah, but and yeah. I think that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.